Now, another mode of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. Fragmentation takes place in organisms which are multicellular. Multicellular organisms, they are further of two types: simple multicellular organisms and complex multicellular organisms. In simple multicellular organisms, the number of cells is just more than one. In complex multicellular organisms, the cells, they join to form tissues. Tissues, they organize into the organs, and organs, they form the organ systems, and this leads to the formation of complete individual. So fragmentation takes place in simple multicellular organisms and not in complex multicellular organisms. For example, it takes place in Spirogyra, where by simply dividing or by simply cutting the body into the different parts, fragments, ठीक है, each fragment is able to grow into complete individual. In fragmentation, for example, Spirogyra, the body breaks into smaller pieces called fragments upon maturation. जैसे ही ये mature होता है, it attains a particular size, the body divides into fragments or the smaller pieces, and then each fragment is capable of growing into new individual. Now next we have is regeneration. In regeneration, for example, it takes place in planaria. Let us see. This is planaria. This is the anterior end of planaria. This is the middle piece or the middle body of planaria, and this is the posterior यानी कि पिछला end in planaria. If this planaria, it divides into, the body is cut into several pieces, then each piece is able to grow into a complete individual. Suppose ये इस तरह से कट हो गई कि ये क्या है, एंटीरियर पार्ट अलग हो गया, मिडल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी इज सेपरेटेड एंड द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट इज ऑल्सो सेपरेटेड. देन ईच पीस, ये जो एंटीरियर पार्ट है ये क्या ग्रो कर लेगा, द मिडल पीस एंड द पोस्टीरियर पीस. ये हम शो कर दिया हमने किससे, बाय showing the shaded portion because colors are not allowed in the board exam. This is the middle piece. It will regenerate the anterior portion and the posterior portion, and the posterior part will be able to grow the anterior and the middle piece of the body. These are the newly generated area. So in regeneration, if the body is cut into the different pieces, each piece is capable of growing into a complete individual. This regeneration is carried out by some special cells. These cells, they proliferate का क्या मतलब है, these cells, they proliferate means they multiply. the cells they multiply and then they form large number of cells. Number of cells increases and then these cells they become specialized to perform डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. मतलब ये जो सेल्स हैं पहले तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जो नए सेल बनेंगे वो सब सेम होंगे. नाउ द सेल्स दे विल परफॉर्म स्पेशल फंक्शन, यानी वो टिश्यू में और फिर ऑर्गन्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे. एंड दिस इज हाउ रीजेनरेशन टेक्स प्लेस. रीजेनरेशन को हम रिप्रोडक्शन की तरह कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स में जरूरी नहीं है कि एक इंडिविजुअल अगर 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा पार्ट्स में उसकी बॉडी कट हो जाए तो वो कंप्लीटली ग्रो कर पाएगा.